The CS spine frame is a versatile tabletop platform that can be easily fitted to any standard operating table. With a weight capacity of 250 kilograms, it enables patients to be safely positioned for a wide range of spinal procedures. To set up the CS spine frame, begin by placing frame onto the operating table, ensuring that the cutout for the head support system is at the head end of the table. Next, using the 4 security straps provided, secure the frame to the operating table rails. The chest and hip supports are then placed on the spine frame rails and fixed into position with the quick-release locking clips. The distance between the chest and the hips is easily adjusted by releasing the locking clip and sliding the support into the desired position. Once in position, simply snap shut the locking clips. Place the comfort covers over the chest and hip supports. These will aid in the prevention of friction and shear injury to the patient, absorb excess moisture, and protect the spine frame supports. Place the head support system on the operating table ready for patient transfer. Once the patient has been proned, the chest and hip supports can be adjusted if necessary, ensuring that the iliac crest is in the center of the hip pads. For male patients, the chest support should be positioned directly under the nipples. For female patients, it should be moved slightly towards the head of the frame to allow for easier positioning of the breasts. If needed, raise the patient's head to obtain a neutral neckline using the pad provided. Use the mirror to check that the patient's eyes are free from obstruction, the eyebrows are visible, and the cheeks are correctly positioned on the face cushion. Lift the patient's legs, place the knee and shin support in position, and make sure that the feet are free from pressure. If required, reposition the arm supports. Finally, carry out a head-to-toe check to ensure that all parts of the patient's anatomy are correctly positioned.